is graphic designer. Graphic designer, these are people who are in charge of creating graphics, the logo, the stickers you see and other things. These are graphic designers that does the job. They design graphics, they create everything graphics, everything picture related to that particular project. They create the pictorial you see pictorial version of that particular project. Let me use that word. Like they bring that project to something that is pictorial, something that you can see, look at and be enticed. Remember, sometimes pictures pass more message now. Which one is because nobody that has the time to start reading and start reading all your big write-ups. Some people just prefer to look at a particular picture. So the job of graphic designer can never be over emphasized because that cannot be neglected because of why they create pictures and they make a pictorial, like they pass a message uh, to investors using pictures. Okay, that's the job of graphic designers. Then the next one